5600 Roosevelt Ave, Northeast. Dates June 16, 2022. Making this recording from the open 6-inch Schedule 40T in the open excavation right now. Going to get a look at the sewer liner out to the city main. You're looking at the city sewer main there. Coming back almost immediately into that 6-inch diameter new flow cure in place pipeliner.
Go. Okay, go.
Back into the PVC now. That's part of this repair. Pull out and get a look at that PVC. Will you show the whole repair with the camera real quick? Slowly, a little slower than that. You've got your 4-inch ABS drainage connection into that Schedule 40 6-inch diameter sewer. And that's the repair. End of the video there.